Yeah, I mean, I think a lot of our youngest founders in our, portfolio are looking at him as like the next Steve Jobs, and just in terms of like the focus, the relentless focus on product innovation and just cutting out a lot of the bullshit. And I think a lot of our young founders who are sort of living through this tough time as a first time, like, young founder, they're all looking around themselves and be like, who here is actually adding value? Who here is just a nice to have? And which ones of us can we kind of give their jobs to somebody else who will do it 10 times better? And we've had conversations with a lot of our founders who are like, I kind of want to cut the bottom 20% of my company every year, but my board won't let me from a culture standpoint.
Yeah,
And so it's tough. It's a very tough conversation to have with, like, young founders who've never been through this, but they're taking inspiration from it
I think so.
nonetheless.
You know what the other thing that I would love to cut out, it always drove me nuts, is uh, certainly over the last 10 years, we've equated the growth of a company largely to the hiring of its employees. That's not scaling. How about
Mhm.
holding your exact same number of employees and massively growing your revenues? Very, very hard to do. But that's what, in essence, Elon Musk is really doing. Can you do a whole lot more for less? And now the downside, of course, is that a lot of these companies will become a lot skinnier. But there's been this massive fight for great talent. They'll find a spot in other companies and make them stronger as well.